We have to find the product of 9.12 and 5.27. When we have to find the product, it means we have to multiply these two decimal numbers. How we do this? When we have to multiply decimal numbers, we first forget about decimal points and multiplying these two numbers like whole numbers. So we have 912 and we have 527. When we have multiplication, it doesn't matter if you multiply 912 times 527 or 527 times 912. The result will be the same. So let's start. We multiply whole numbers. So we start from the right side and we are going to the left. We have to first multiply every number in the first row by 7. Next, every number in the first row by 2. And every number in the first row by 5 at the end. And we start to write the solution from the right side to the left. 7 times 2 is 14, so we have to write 4 and 1 we add to next column. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 times 9 is 63, so we have 3, 6. Next we have to multiply, next digit is 2. 2 is in the second column, so this is 10th column, so we have 20 times 2, so this is 40. Next we have 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Next we have to multiply 5 times every number in the first row. But don't forget that 5 is in the third column, so this is like 500. 500 times 2 give me 1000. So we have to write zeros and 1 will go to next column. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. And now we have 5 times 9 is 45. And we have to do addition. 4 plus 0 is 4, 8 plus 4 is 12, so we have to write 2 and 1 we add to next column. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 8 plus 6, so this is 20, so we have 0 and 2 we add to next column. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 5 is 8 and we have 4. Next we have to count decimal places in our factors. We have 9.12 and 5.27. So we count the digits after decimal point. In the first decimal number we have 2, so we have 2 decimal places. In the second we have also 2, so we have 2 decimal places. And next we have to add decimal places. 2 plus 2 is 4. So in our solution we need to have 4 decimal places. We start to count from the right side to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the decimal point will be between 8 and 0. And we can write that our solution will be 48 decimal point 0624.